today is day 4 of our 21-day, share your uh, daily experience program. You can call it a program, or you can just call it a challenge of your own self, or you can just have a thing, which you would like to continue to hear, to speak, or to listen for 21 continuous days, so that you get into the habit of doing something good to yourself. Okay. Now, coming straight towards what is our learning for the day, or my learning for the day. The day was very ordinary. It was like really very, nothing extraordinary happened, nothing anything of that sort happened which would uh, make me realize that, oh, this is my learning. There was not a single moment which clicked in a different way, which would tell me that, oh, this thing you should keep in mind. But then I sat and I realized that no, it cannot go like that. There must be something I have to find out. I started not thinking like intentionally putting into thinking, no, 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 I have to learn something, I must have learned something. No, at times there are very things which you have to just catch in a moment. Okay, you have to find out at times. So then I realized that my today's learning is, do not arrest yourself. I'll tell you how this came to me. So, my day was ordinary. I had nothing extraordinary or nothing which is very remarkable or significant to share as a learning. But then I was sitting normally watching TV and was thinking I would not go anywhere. My one of my relatives, they give me a call ki come down to today's festival. Makar Sankranti hai aaj, so come and we'll eat together, dinner and all. So I said, okay, okay, I'll come. But then I didn't feel like, so I thought that I'll not go. So I'm just sitting and thinking. I suddenly got up, I dressed up, and then I moved to their place. When there, had a great time, normally great time, and then I realized I was arresting myself, and that is really bad. Okay, so there is, this is how you call it. Okay, so you don't arrest yourself. Don't let your problems pull you down, or just trap you in a very small box which is dark, or and which has no hope, which is uh, which will not give you anything but negativity, you know, darkness and sadness and all gloomy and everything. So don't let that happen to yourself. Walk out, as they say it. If you are not comfortable in a given setup, just walk out of that particular arena and just be out for some time, and you will be able to adjust with the situations, and then maybe things would be better. So this is what happened. So my thing for today would be, do not arrest yourself. Flow with the current. There is no point holding back. Why do you have to you have to think it in a way that by not doing what people they are trying to make your lives better. They are making their own small efforts to make you feel better. If they know that you're staying alone, and they are concerned about you, ki okay, let her call over, and or maybe oh, she's feeling bad, she had a bad day, and she has been going through, or he has been going through some real bad time in past few days. Then your friend, your relatives, or any of the well-wishers may try to mix up with you, will try to spend some time with you, not because they want it, Yeah, I'm sure about it. Not because they want it, because they know that you need to be there. You need to come out that small box where you have arrested yourself with all your heart, mind, and soul. So you have to come out of that. Do not arrest yourself, unshackle, and move out of that place. In this way, you will end up with a day which is on a happier note, and also, getting up with a on a positive note next day, and maybe planning something better. Gradually, I have shifted my thought process in this direction of thinking in a progressive way, intellectually, mindfully, or you know we only talk about mental toughness. We have to practice it. And maybe these are the small steps to practice and make our, mental strength, or just build it. That's it. That's it for the day, I believe. I hope this would add some goodness to you. And do let me know, what do you feel at the end of the day wherein you have not experienced something very significant? What do you think you can draw out of the entire day? And this is how we can help each other, grow together, be better together, stay connected, and just learn things. So that's it, and all the best. Let's stay strong and stay together, stay connected. Thank you for hearing me out, and wish you good luck. Stay happy, healthy. Bye bye.